Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's discuss everything Dogecoin. What is happening with Dogecoin, and of course where we could see the price of Dogecoin going as we do go into this upcoming weekend. If we're looking at the markets, the market is being quite funny to say the least. We see Bitcoin bouncing to 34,800 and then back to 34,400. We've seen this happen pretty much 3 to 4 times today, and altcoins are really going up and then boom, back down, going up and going back down. And right now this is like literally the third time for altcoins to be back up in the green. So quite interesting to see, and this really shows the importance of the Bitcoin dominance. But if we're looking at Dogecoin right now, it's up about 1.9% on the daily time frame. But now let's take a little bit of a further look and see what is happening and what has changed compared to our previous updates. So if we're looking at Dogecoin's price right now, it's currently sitting at 6.9 cents, up about 1.8% as mentioned in USD comparative. We're also up 1.7% in Bitcoin comparative, which is of course really nice to see. Market cap is currently sitting at $9.7 billion, slowly but surely approaching that psychological $10 billion market valuation, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $340 million. But now let's take a further look at the price. But before we do that, Elon Musk just tweeted about 7 minutes back, and I decided to reply back to this tweet, and he's saying as soon as it's out of early beta, XAI's Grok system will be available to all X Premium Plus subscribers. And I tweeted back saying, when Doge tweet though? So, just having a little bit of fun, of course. But, speaking about Doge tweet, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, Elon Musk starts tweeting about Dogecoin once again. And if you think, Elon Musk has moved on, has nothing to do with Dogecoin anymore, he is not a supporter of Dogecoin. Remember, just a few months back, when April Fools happened, he changed the like button and also the actual Twitter logo to none other than Dogecoin logo. There's a big relationship between Dogecoin and Elon Musk, and I've said this continuously. The reason why Dogecoin even exists to this market valuation and is treated the way it is because of none other than Elon Musk. And I obviously say all the time that I think there is something behind the scenes that we're not aware of, and I think it's just a matter of time before we start hearing things about Dogecoin. But now let's take a little bit of further look at the price, see what has changed, and of course where we could be going in the immediate short term. It would be great if the charts decided to load up on me. I'd have no idea why it's been recently acting really laggy. I think I need to update my MacBook. But yeah, let's give it a refresh live. Let's see if it were to load for us. If it does, great, because we really need to discuss the price. But if we're looking at Bitcoin right now though, you can see this for yourself, guys. Bitcoin is, like I said, bouncing back and forth to this level of resistance. Main target for BTC is to get back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. But as mentioned to you guys in my earlier updates, if Bitcoin even were to, let me go on the hourly time frame to show you guys as to what I'm trying to talk about. And again, this would be great if it loaded up. But anyways, let's see what's happening with Dogecoin right now. So you guys can see for Dogecoin, we're seeing something very interesting playing out. So as mentioned to you guys in my previous update, we are seeing Dogecoin pretty much trade sideways over the past few days, especially after having this breakout. Now you may be saying this breakout is nothing, but guys, let's take a look at it from this point of view. If you picked it up on October 19th, it was at 5.7 cents, and we saw the price of Dogecoin run up almost 30%. Almost 30% increase, and it's pretty much been hanging back and forth within this range. And of course, this shows bullish momentum. This shows that Dogecoin wants to continue this upside. And I think in the upcoming days ahead of us, we will see Dogecoin pushing back up, especially to this 8.4 cents mark, because that is that target I have my eyes really on. Pretty much, if we're zooming out, right now still the Dogecoin charts do not look as exciting. It looks pretty much bottomed out. it looks like there's literally no life to Dogecoin, especially if you're looking at the bigger picture. If I were to zoom out, look at it, it seems like Dogecoin price has not moved at all. But at this same exact price, back in 2021, this is where Dogecoin exploded. Let me show you guys as to what I'm really discussing so you can see this for yourself. We saw Dogecoin back in 2021 really explode out of these prices where we're currently at. So where we're finding ourselves at right now is, of course, at this support line, which dates back to 2021. And this is where we're being supported by after having a little bit of a cool off. And that is totally okay. But this is where your patience is really being tested right now. Capitulation, if you guys know what that is, I think that is coming, or some people are already saying capitulation is happening right now. We've seen similar things happen with Solana, and boom, Solana exploded. And I think Dogecoin's time is very near. There's too much positive things aligned for it. And, just one or two tweets from Elon Musk will take this thing back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And then organic growth from there on, I think will happen for Dogecoin. A lot of analysts predicting, Dogecoin to hit $4. Some people even calling a $10 Dogecoin. That is a little unrealistic, to be quite frank. But, a $2 Dogecoin in a market with a Bitcoin ETF, with Blackrock, Grayscale picking up BTC, everyone talking about crypto, we could see that really come to life. But again, we would need the backing of the guy who really kickstarted Dogecoin to begin with, which is none other than Elon Musk himself. So let me know down below what you guys think. How is your portfolio diversified? This is what we really need to be focusing on right now. Do you have some other altcoins? Do you have meme coins where Dogecoin is your biggest holding? Where do you see Dogecoin compared to Shiba Inu? Where is Dogecoin really standing? Of course, people consider the meme coin market its own market, and I've said this from the beginning. So how the cryptocurrency market, the biggest king is Ethereum. Aside from Bitcoin, I'm talking about altcoins. Ethereum is the king, right? In terms of altcoins. So Dogecoin is its own market. It's considered its own market. And, in years to come, is Dogecoin going to be that king where, people see it as a safe haven? Like more willing to feel safer with Dogecoin rather than other meme coins. Are we entering that phase? Possibly, but the potential is great. I really am optimistic that Dogecoin will shock a lot of people in the months to come. But let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, it's really nice to come back to these videos months down the road and see what is happening and if things really played out. But I'm very optimistic that we will be coming back to these updates and looking back and saying, damn, Dogecoin was quite cheap. But again, at the end of the day, that's just my own personal opinion. As always, do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.